Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Coconut Honeycomb Mochi Cake, a traditional Southeast Asian delicacy for the upcoming Lunar New Year. The cake is soft and chewy with sweet coconut taste. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. All ingredients are available in Asian grocery stores. Mix the instant quick yeast with warm water first. Stir well, then set aside. Separate eggs. Eggs should be in large size. Here is the brand of coconut milk I prefer to use. Tapioca starch. Beat whole eggs, egg yolks, and sugar together. I'm using a machine called Thermomix here. You may also use a handheld electric beater like this one. Heat up the coconut milk to about 50 degrees Celsius. Beat the egg mixture until it becomes thick and pale yellow like this. Add 1/3 tapioca starch into the egg mixture, then beat well. Then add half of the coconut milk plus 1/3 of tapioca starch. Beat well. Add the rest of tapioca starch and coconut milk. Beat well. Scrape down the mixing bowl. Add yeast water. Beat until the mixture becomes smooth. Pour the mixture through a strainer into a bowl. Remove all the crumbs. Cover the bowl with a towel and let the batter rise for 8 to 10 hours in room temperature. Spray and brush a baking pan with oil. Line the pan with parchment paper. Whisk the batter well before pouring into the baking pan. Preheat a convection oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Convection bake at 380 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then 350 for 25 minutes. Remove the cake from oven and let it cool down on rack. Do not cut the cake until it's completely cooled down. Otherwise, the honeycomb texture will be squished because the cake is very soft when it's hot. See how pretty the pattern is. The yummy coconut honeycomb mochi cake is ready to serve. Enjoy!